Today's kicks on feet, and what I'm rocking today is the Air Jordan 4 Breads. What's up, y'all? It's UrAvg'SnkrsGuy, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all different ways how to wear and rock these Air Jordan Breads. First off, we're gonna take a look at what these things look like with some different types of socks. Mid cut, low cut, long cut, whatever kind of cut. Let's go see what these things look like on feet with these socks, man. Alright, next up, y'all know fall, winter is right around the corner, so y'all better go get these joggers while they on sale. So we finna see what these things look like with some joggers on. But, hey, y'all out there, don't be out there with no Adidas, Nikes, and mixing it all up. Get you some Jordan or Nike joggers. I don't want to see y'all with these Jordans on with some Adidas stripes on, man. We don't do that around here. But anyway, let's go see what these things look like with some joggers on. Yo! Alright, this one for my sneakerheads that like to be different. That when they step out, they wanna, what those is, man? How they come like that, man? Yeah, we want that reaction right there when we step out. So we finna see what these things look like with some lace swap action. Shout out to my guy, Jay the Sneaker Guy, for bringing the lace swapping back to the community. And with that being said, let's go see what kind of options we have to lace swap these things with. Thank y'all for checking out another video of Kits on Feet. What I'm rocking today, what y'all rocking today. Y'all let me know down in the comments what was y'all rocking today and what do y'all think about the OG Air Jordan 4 breads. Don't forget to like this video if y'all made it this far. If you don't, hit the dislike. And I still appreciate y'all. Road to 20K is on the way. So y'all hit that sub button and come join your average sneaker guy nation. And with that being said, it's your average sneaker guy. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.
Turn me up.